to Princess Beauty TV. Okay, I'm down to my last review of the day, and that's with the Neesha 201. Okay, 201. All right, the color is in a DRFF black cherry. All right, let's go ahead and get right into it. Taking her out of the box. All right. Thank you for bearing with me. Okay, and the one that I have on my head is a Neesha 202. So this is it. Neesha 202. Okay. All right, I'm going to take this one off and put this other one on. Let's see how she's looking. All right, y'all ready? Okay. Let me place this one on my head. But first, let me do the cap. It's the basic cap construction. It has a middle part, 2 combs, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps, okay? Okay, I was just looking in the mirror. Here she goes. It's really cute. It looks basically like this one, but in a shorter style. So here she go in the cherry color. This is the front, the side, the back. All right. So I will be back after I trim the lace on this gorgeous wig. Okay, princesses, I'm back. I trimmed up the lace, trimmed the lace off. Okay. She's very pretty. All right. Got her. Do another 360. If I haven't already did it, I'm going to just do it again real fast. Okay, here go the side, the back. Very beautiful. And the other side. Okay, I had to be extra on that. Yes, honey. Okay, princesses, this is her. She's very pretty. Okay, and I also want to show how it looked to the side, because this is basically the way I would like to wear it, to the side. Okay, I am liking it. Very cute. Gorgeous. It's pretty both ways. I really don't like middle parts, but this looks pretty cute. All right, princesses, that is basically it for today. Again, the name of this wig is Neesha 201. I would definitely recommend this. Nice, beautiful, natural looking unit. I like it. It's pretty. It's Please cute. Comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching Princess Beauty TV. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.